What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians back with another video. Normally I don't upload two of the same project every day, but Kaspa is crushing it so much I was like, hey, let's run it back, Turbo. Let's run it back, man. Had to cover Kaspa once again because the breakout is so freaking bullish. I think the people that subscribe to this channel gotta know about Kaspa, man. Like, this is where you make some gains in a great altcoin, guys. So I don't want you guys to fade it. So we're back with another Kaspa video. In this one, Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts. First time to the channel, do the same thing, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Let's grow this channel together. I was one of the first YouTubers to talk about Kaspa on the channel, man, which is crazy, right? So support the channel, guys. I'm gonna do my best to give you guys nothing but the best projects on the channel, right? So yeah, Kaspa right now sitting at 3.7 cents, on its way to 4 cents. It's all it's popping up, guys. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy, man. It's insane, man. Is it cool to be this euphoric? Normally my instincts, because of how terrible the last year and the market conditions were last year, my instincts are saying to sell, right? But I'm holding, man. I don't care what happens. I'm holding till the bull run is here, man. I'm not touching nothing. So right now, guys, Kaspa is at $745 million in market cap. It'll be at $1 billion before you know it. It'll be at $1 billion really soon. $24.6 million in 24-hour trade volume. It is popping up. It's really looking for that breakout here. It's really looking for that new all-time high. Up 11% on the 24-hour. Yeah, man. It's really out. It's really pushing for that new all-time high. We more than likely will get that today, guys. This is so insane. I hope y'all got y'all bags packed in Kaspa, man. I really do, man. Even if you just got 10k Kaspa, 50k, it's a nice bag to have, man. Iskander, Kaspa market cap at 705 million. We were at 300 million only a few weeks ago. Daily trading volume increasing and steady liquidity inflow. Hash rate is ripping. Oh man, I wanted to see the image a bit better. Let me see. Let me zoom in here. So fund flow analysis. The buyers are outweighing the sellers by so much, man. Crazy. The big big orders are coming in, and the sellers are getting demolished, man. A recent 5-day big order net inflow for Kaspa. Look at this. Way less sellers and so much more buyers in Kaspa. And then we can see the hash rate, net fund inflow for Kaspa. Everything is pointing to bull market levels. Kaspa is the start of the bull market. Kaspa is the bull market, man. That's what Kaspa is. Kaspa is the bull market. Kaspa Kev, most don't know or haven't researched Kaspa yet to understand. Blockdag will pave the way for all crypto in the future. Kaspa solved the Nakamoto consensus trilemma: decentralization, security, and scalability. Kaspa will eventually take its rightful rank of number 2 soon. Number 2, Ethereum step aside. Digital gold and silver combined to create perfection. We are all Satoshi, Bitcoin, and Kaspa. Crazy, man. Nice stuff. Kaspa news. Kaspa network hash rate just keeps going higher and higher. Smart miners are working. Kaspa digital silver. Rasta Kaspa is so fast that CoinGecko doesn't even know how to time sort it correctly. INJ render and curve are already listed in Binance. What the hell are you doing, CZ? Waiting for it? What are you waiting for to list Kaspa? What am I missing? Like, what is he waiting for? That's so weird. Mucho bueno. Good morning, Kaspa holders. Remember, this is just before any major exchange listing. Don't be that person who knew about it and decided, well, I have Pepe, so I'm good. Only Kaspa. Crypto Winkle. Kaspa is the talk of the town in the crypto world. Kaspa currency is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. It uses a new protocol, Blockdag, to achieve both security and scalability. Cash charts have warmed up and getting set to go. Guys, you can't fade the technology of this project, man. That's one thing that, you know, is what I'm bullish on for Kaspa, is the technology that is developed for it, how fast it is, how much, you know, how much it as a layer 1 has achieved, right? With community, all community based, just like how Bitcoin is. There's no centralized entity that is in control of Bitcoin. You know, we're all Satoshi in this, right? So with Cas, it's the same thing. We're all Satoshi. It's the community, the growth, all of these things that will make Kaspa successful in the future, guys. You guys can see, even with the browser extension wallet that they're gonna be crowdsourcing, it's all community that are raising the funds, that are putting together the funds for the project to help it grow, right? There's no, we are the VCs of the project. We are the CEOs, right? That's what we are in Kaspa, man. And guys, I'm telling you, man, like, you know, I wouldn't fade this. I wouldn't fade this at all, man. Belmar, Cash fam, we really need this kind of wallet to make it super simple for people to store their cash. Please donate. I did my part, and I'll do it twice more in the future. So Mirrorly telling people in the Cash community to try to donate to the Kaspa wallet, so you know the browser wallet extension can become a reality, guys, which is great stuff, man. Great stuff. Bubblegum Lightning fact. Awesome stuff, man. Great stuff, man. Stomach Star, a lot of new Cash fam members lately. We are the VCs. Send some cash if you can. This is how we grow. I said this before, I'll say it again. Cash is the easiest hold. So yeah, guys, that browser extension wallet will be another game changer in the Cash ecosystem. And you know, you love to see that, man. A lot of layer 1s are about to become obsolete just because of Kaspa. I'm telling you, people won't want to use any other layer 1s just because of Kaspa, man. LXR, Cash is now ranked 64. Which what do you think will be the highest rank for Cash in the bull market? I voted. I put top 5 for Cash, right? And you could see everyone else thinks the same thing, right? A lot of people think top 10, 28%. Nobody thinks top 20 or 30. Top 5 for Cash in the bull cycle. Yep. Stop free and choose any number you want. I choose 1 then. Top 2. This reminds me of like rating your, like ranking rappers. Like the top 5 rappers, and rappers always making, you know, lyrics about, you know, I'm the top 5, and I'm in their top 5, and I'm not number 5, 4, 3, or 2. Right? It's crazy stuff, man. It's great to see you guys. It's absolutely great to see. So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Caspians, get it to 10,000 views. We gotta take over this space, man. You know, we get, when you guys support these YouTube videos, when the awareness just explodes, top YouTubers will cover the project, man, like the coin bureaus of the world. So, you know, keep supporting. I really appreciate it, guys. Again, like, comment, subscribe, support the Kaspa playlist. Like, you just go to my homepage on the YouTube channel and you'll see I got a full Kaspa playlist with all my previous Kaspa videos. Yeah, man, share these videos on Twitter. Go rewatch the previous videos, guys. Let's keep going, man. Thank you so much again. Can't stress that enough, Caspians, and I'll catch you in the next one.